Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you how to make a mug cake. These are really easy to make, and I came across this recipe, tweaked it a little bit, because I was craving something late at night and I'm like, I don't want to go for a bag of chips or a bowl of chips or popcorn. I want something a little on the sweeter side, but I want something easy and I want it warm. And this mug cake is the perfect solution for that. And it doesn't take long at all. So you want to just dip your finger in the oil and you want to oil your mug. You want a microwave safe mug. Okay. And then I'm going to add my gluten-free all-purpose flour blend and my sugar, my baking powder. Oh, got to get all that baking powder in there. Otherwise I end up with a brownie. Some salt and my cocoa. And then you want to take a little whisk or even a fork and just mix it up really well. Just like that. You can see right in there, it's nicely mixed. Okay, and I'll get right down to the little crevices of that mug. And I'm going to add my oil and my vanilla and my milk. Now you can use any kind of milk you want. I've made it with hemp heart milk. You can do soy milk, almond milk, regular milk, goat milk, whatever you like, whatever you have in the fridge, that's what you want to use. And I'm going to whisk this up. And again, I want to whisk it so that it's all getting blended together. I'm going to scrape the bottom just to make sure I've got everything. And I want to get rid of any lumps, because we don't like lumps of baking powder or anything like that in our cake. That looks really nice. Okay, and then finally I'm going to add my chocolate chips, give it a little stir. Shake that off, give it one last, there we go. I'm going to put all this in my sink. And then I have a challenge for myself. I want whipped cream with this. And I'm going to mix up my whipped cream, whip it by hand while I'm microwaving, and I'm going to see if I can whip it in time to have it on top. So I'm going to set my timer for 75 seconds. Your microwave might be a little different, so you might need a little bit more time. We'll find out when we go. And 3, 2, 1. So that's been about 10 seconds so far. I don't know. Oh, it's starting to thicken. It's starting to thicken. I got 45 seconds. I hope I can do it. Oh, it's thickening. Look at that. I got 30 seconds. I think I can do it. No problem. Look at that. What's nice about whipping your whipped cream by hand is you can take it to the perfect consistency that you want every time and not worry about overbeating it or underbeating it. And I mean, that is pretty darn perfect for me. And look at that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I want to look. I'm nervous. Are you nervous? Do you think it's done? Let's find out. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. It looks perfect. I mean, look at that. Like, it's just, you've got a nice spring and fluff there. There's a little bit of wetness there. I could put it in probably for another 10 seconds. There's no egg in it. I'm not too worried. I want to dig into it and try it. I want the whipped cream on it. So let's put some whipped cream right on it. Oh, look at that. It's melting. It's going to make it like gooey and yummy. I can't wait. I can't wait. I want sprinkles on there. And now I get to try it. Oh, it's so fluffy on the inside. Mmm. Mmm. That's a really good mug cake. It's going to be perfect for just that. Oh, it's just going to hit the right spot. It's exactly what I wanted. I can easily see adding like jam into it, like stirring a little jam as a swirl with the chocolate chips. I could see putting Nutella in there. I could be putting nuts and different things, even fruit like candied fruit or raisins. I mean, your imagination is your only limitation. If you're looking for the recipe for this, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And look for next time when I'm making this. Have a great day.